Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you these Excel shortcuts that you might have known before. And also, this Excel shortcuts key can help you to perform the tasks very quickly and can help you to manage your time. You're going to be getting excited, mostly if you are using it to work in Excel or in Microsoft Office Excel. You're gonna be increasing new skills. You're gonna be learning new things from this video, which will be helping you to perform your tasks very quickly and also to be able to navigate around your Excel sheet very quickly without also spending much time. So thank you for watching this video. So remember to subscribe. Now, a lot of also having shortcut is that when you have a shortcut, you don't need to go across different stuff or across different navigation legends for performing different tasks. Instead, you can use only single shortcut key to be able to perform these actions. So now what I can do without wasting time, let's get started by showing you this. So what we do now is to come into our Excel. As you can see, I'm using my Excel. So the first shortcut key is called Control plus semicolon. As you can see, this is a Control plus semicolon. And also, if you're gonna be using this option, you can be asking yourself how to use this. So if you place Control plus semicolon on your computer or on your keyboard, you're gonna be retrieving the specific date of today. So now the date of today or the current date is going to be retrieved automatically in your Excel. That means you don't need to go across different stuff or across navigations, going through the navigation bars, going to the section, to the dates, to insert the date. That's going to be taking your time. But if you already know that, you will be able to place Control plus semicolon. You're going to be retrieving the current date. It's very simple. You can even be able to retrieve it for whole document. So the next one is also called Control Shift plus colon keys. Now we're going to be using the three shortcut keys. And also if you place Control Shift plus colon keys, you're going to be retrieving the current date automatically. Now the key is called Control plus Shift plus colon. So now you're gonna be maybe let me type like this. And also if you use this option, you are going to automatically retrieve the current time of based on the time you have. Also you can see on my computer I have 10:16 o'clock. So now let me try to use this option and see what I'm gonna be getting. So if I click on Control Shift colon, you can see I automatically get my current time, which is the same one also I was telling you. So the third one, or the third shortcut key that you can use, is also called Control plus arrow keys. So if you click a Control plus arrow keys, also this is gonna be helping you to navigate across your document. Let's say, for instance, I click Control plus arrow keys. It depends on the arrow key you are placing. Also, it depends on whichever you're using. Let's, for instance, click Control plus light arrow. You can see it is also going to the end of my document, going to the right side. If I click Control plus left arrow, it is going to be back to the left side, to the end side of the left side. If I click Control down arrow, it is going to take me to the bottom of the document. And if I click Control upward arrow, it's going to take me to the upward side. So now it helps you to navigate very easily across your document, either going to the right side or to left or up or down, depends on what you need. So the next one is also called Control Backspace, which allow you to select the specific law. Let's for instance click Control Backspace. Let me write here for you to recognize it. Control plus Backspace. If you click on these keys on your computer, Control Backspace, you're gonna be navigating around. We're gonna be selecting the specific cells. Control Backspace. You can see I immediately selected the whole cell in my Excel sheet. And also this will be helping you to be easily select your cell and also be able to decide either to format it differently. Depends on the given shortcut keys will be showing you in the future about formatting and whichever. So the next one also, which is the last one, is also currency formatting shortcut key. So if I click Control, let's now want to format the currency, and if I click Control Shift plus USD symbol, Control Shift plus USD symbol, this is gonna be formatting the currency in the given state that I'm using. Let's for instance try to go into this one and place Control Shift plus, this is a Control Shift plus, yes, this is a Control Shift plus USD is the one I am talking about. Also, let's try to click on it, Control Shift plus USD symbol. You can see there is nothing come, but you can be asking yourself why there is nothing come. It is because we don't have any given number in the given cell. What you have to do, raise first of all type 1000. This is gonna be like nothing. It is because it is normal numbers. And also if I'm gonna be formatting into currency, you can see now it is the normal numbers, general number usually that you can count like 1, 2, 3 up to 1000. But let me type maybe 3000, 4000, 6000. Also what I'm gonna do 5000. Okay, so I can even be selecting all of them and also click on Control Currency. You can see they're gonna be if I click the shortcuts, they're gonna be selecting themselves to be converted into currency, which means I don't need to go back or to go further formatting each and every currency or each and every number. What I have is only to type the numbers, and also once I have already typed the numbers, I'm gonna be retrieving the currency for each and every number that I have. What you have to do, only you fill out the numbers. Maybe you can even be filling the number accordingly, retrieving the numbers from the database, whichever. But if you want to format it as currency, you're gonna be also doing Control Shift plus USD dollar or dollar symbol. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be able to use these 5 shortcut keys I was showing you, but I will be also showing you the other shortcut keys that you can be able to use even in the next time. I'll be showing you the more keys that you can be able to use to format a document. I will be showing you the more keys that you can be able to use also to navigate, to be able to use to calculate, whichever. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions or suggestions about the video in the comment section.